This industrial microwave dried bean curd stick production line utilizes microwave penetration heating technology to simultaneously dehydrate the bean curd sticks both inside and out, ensuring uniform evaporation of moisture from the inside out, completely solving problems such as dry outside but damp inside and residual moisture. Low temperature processing does not damage the protein structure of the bean curd sticks, giving them a golden yellow color and a chewy texture.